Hey guys, I'm going to do a simple video here. I want to respect your time. This video is going to be about how to create a custom icon for an existing Windows folder, or shoot, you can create yourself a new folder. Just go to new folder and one will pop out right there, and this will work for either an existing folder or a new folder. So let's say I want to change the icon of this folder so it appears differently on my screen. What I can do is I can go down here and I can go to customize, properties, customize, change icon, and Windows will give me a selection of icons that I can choose from. I'll just make this one something simple. I'll tell it OK, and then it will ask me what to do, and I'll say I will apply the change, and then I'll wait a moment. I'll hit OK. I'll take a look at that folder, and poof, there you are. It's changed the icon on that. Now, what if I want to have something a little bit flashier, something that speaks more to my personality? Well, what I can do is I can go to the icon folder. I can click on that item. I can go to properties, and then I can go to customize, and then I can choose change icon. And then instead of picking one of the default icons that they have available there, I can go to browse. When I go to browse, I can pull up a folder of my own choosing. In this case, I already have one on the desktop that's called icons. And let's say I want to put a camera on that one. So I'll click that camera file. It has to be an ICO file. ICO files are a bit different, and I'll flash a quick website on that for you in a moment. But ICO files are a different format. I will click that. I will tell it OK. I'm going to select you, and then I will apply it and tell it OK, and we're going to wait a moment, and boof, there you go. You have a new icon for a specific folder. Now, if you are wondering what this is, the ICO files, what they are a format. You have an image file format for computer icons in the Microsoft Windows. The ICO files contain one or more small images, multiple sizes, color depths, such that they may be scaled appropriately. Those are the only files that you're really going to be able to use for your desktop icons. Now I'm going to do another video showing how you can create your own icons inside of Photoshop. If you want to watch that, I'll try to leave some instructions on how you can find it. All right. I hope that helped you out, and have a good day. Take care.